Hey, what's up? I have tested many wireless headphones and earbuds from Mpow company. You can watch the videos about Mpow M30, H19 Mpwo, T5 and others on our channel Tech Brothers. Recently, I received the new wireless headphones called Mpow 059 Plus. These headphones have active noise cancellation, 50 hours of playtime, Bluetooth 5.0, folding design and other features. Let's do unboxing and full review of Mpow 059 Plus. But first, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The new headphones Mpow 059 Plus come in the same box as the previous one Mpow H19 Mpwo. You can read main features of headphones on the front and specifications on the back. Opening the box, you will find a high-quality carrying bag and headphones inside it. The bag looks and feels like a leather, but I'm not sure that it is a real leather. Also, there is user manual, micro USB charging cable and 3.5mm audio jack inside the box. Talking about design of Mpow 059 Plus, first I want to say about color. The headphones come in one color option with a combination of black and red. They look very nice. Also, the headphones have folding design, so you can fold it up and put in the bag. The ear cups are quite big and they provide a good noise isolation. Also, the ear cups have a memory foam, so the headphones are convenient for anyone to use. The right ear pod has volume up and down, play pause buttons and micro USB charging port. By the way, you can also use the central button to answer the phone call and volume up and down to change the tracks. On the left ear pad, there is ANC switch and 3.5mm audio jack. I think that's all about design of Mpow 059 Plus. I like the build quality as well as the comfort. I listened to music for hours without taking the headphones off, and I didn't feel any discomfort. Now let's talk about main features of Mpow 059 Plus headphones. According to Amazon product page, the first feature of these headphones is battery life, up to 50 hours on a single charge. However, if you use ANC, then the battery life is about 18 hours. The manufacturer says that 10 minutes of charge is enough for 2 hours of playback. That's very good. The new headphones have a 500 mAh battery. The next feature is built-in CVC 8.0 noise cancellation microphone for phone calls or home office and online class. Also, the headphones use Bluetooth 5.0 for connection with a smartphone, laptop, PC and other devices. The last feature, but the most important for me, is active noise cancellation. This is the must-have function for any headphones in 2020. Thanks to ANC, the noise from plane, train, bus and others will not bother you. Now let's connect the headphones and check the sound quality. First, you need to press and hold the play button on headphones, then go to Bluetooth settings menu on your device, it is a smartphone in my case, and choose Mpow 059 Plus. That's it. I listen to music of different genres, podcasts, as well as watch videos and play games. First, the headphones have no delay. That's very good. As for the sound quality, I also like it. The headphones have good bass and clear voice. I'm a fan of podcasts, so the voice is very important for me. The sound with ANC on and off is very different. I recommend you always use ANC. Yes, the battery life will be shorter, but the sound quality is better. As the last resort, you can use 3.5mm audio cable when the battery is dead. The price of Mpow 059 Plus is about the same as the previous headphones Mpow H19 Mpwo, $50. The main advantage of the new headphones is battery life up to 50 hours. The other features are the same: Bluetooth 5.0, active noise cancellation, CVC 8.0 microphone and folding design. However, they look different, so maybe the design of Mpow H19 Mpwo is better for you. Watch our video about these headphones by the link in description. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.